You have to work hard for your money. That's what I hear from a lot of business owners. It's a myth, but they think they must work hard for the money. I mean, if you believe that you must work hard to make money, then money's not going to come to you unless you do hard work, correct? So is that true, or is it just a myth? Well, I'm going to show you that it's a myth because I have a perfect example. My client, Alice, she went from working 12 to 16 hours a day, 6 days a week, to 3 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week. But first, I want to talk to you about hard work and how I know what hard work is. Because when I was growing up, my father and mother had a butcher shop. My dad was a butcher, and we had a meat shop. And we worked hard. We worked 6 days a week, sometimes 7, and it was ongoing, long days. My school year, I would go into work at night and work weekends, and during the summer, I would work all day, every day, except for maybe one day off. And so I did this for 10 years, and it was always working hard. And granted, we had systems and things set up, but it was very manual labor, and we had to work. We had to get it done. There was some staff that were helping us, but for the most part, it was us doing the work, the family. It was a family business, and we were operators. So that's working hard. That's not working smart, though. There's a difference between working hard and working smart. Now, Alice, as I mentioned earlier, she has a business. It's an agency, and she does web design. But she was working hard, not recognizing that she could delegate work to others instead of doing it all herself. So she was totally focusing all her time and attention, or the majority of it, on developing sites for people, and had one staff member. That was it. But as we got to work, we started figuring out what she needed, the systems she needed, the practices, the processes, getting her skill set, her mindset, and her performance all tuned in. She ended up letting go of that one person and getting 2 new people, got them organized, and today she works 3 hours instead and has so much free time she's not exactly sure what to do with it, which isn't a big problem in most of our lives. But this is possible. Why? She shifted from working harder to working smarter, and it's possible. It's a myth that you have to work hard. I mean, you might think that, if you're building your business, you're going to work hard. Yes, but you have to work smarter as well throughout. I mean, think about it. Crazy people, working hard or hard work is for crazy people who will do whatever it takes. But smart work is for people who are focused and want to do consistent work and take consistent actions. Here's the thing. You can build a business and work it all your life and be an operator, or you can build a business and delegate the work and be a true entrepreneur. So don't let this idea of hard work to make money stop you the next time. Just think about it and remember what I talked about here.